The main objective of the UNICEF is to look after the children's welfare activity. Main देखना है कि children अच्छा है कि नहीं. In developing countries, by providing people with low cost community based services देता है यहाँ. Maternal health, child health, माने pregnant mothers को help करता है. Afterwards, post maternity, बच्चा child को healthy diets मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं, nutrition, उनका immunization, everything is being seen by them. Now, what are the functions? UNICEF provides services in primary health care, nutrition, basic education, sanitation, and women's development also in developing countries. What are the main functions? Let us check out. UNICEF works for the protection of the children in respect of their survival, in respect of their health, well-being, everything. ताछाड़ाओ, it provides funds for training personnel, जो health workers है, sanitation workers है, वो लोग को train किया जाता है so that they can provide good works to these children. Teachers को, nutritionalists को, everyone receives training. Then they also provide technical supplies, equipment, textbooks, paper, medicines to health clinics, pipes and pumps to bring clean water to the villages. Everything is done by them. Then it also assists the government को भी assist करता है to plan, develop and extend the community-based services in the field of maternal and child health. ताछाड़ाओ, they also help the children and their mothers in times of emergencies which might arise from from natural calamities like war हो गया, epidemics हो गया, earthquake हो गया. In those cases, both the mothers and the children will be helped by this UNICEF. It makes efforts to prevent diseases also like TB, tuberculosis, malaria, eye diseases, skin diseases and all. Now, what are the UNICEF programs in India? Now we will come to the Indian context. So the government of India has also launched in collaboration with UNICEF the National Mission for Immunization, National Mission for Drinking Water and National Literary Mission. 3 ways they have started with the help of UNICEF. Then community development programs have also been started in the rural areas with the aid of UNICEF. And these are aimed at basically maternal good health and child health also. With the government also efforts to reduce the infant mortality rate and child mortality rate. बहुत बच्चे मर जाता है ना after taking bath, वो जाते ना हों, इसके लिए they have provided everything. उसके लिए they have given ORT or oral rehydration therapy. Since 1986, ORT has become a full-fledged national program. Okay. Then it is a partner of the Indian government also in the accelerated rural water supply program. जाते गाँव में fresh water आए. Then 1990s say the government of India, UNICEF and other UN agencies has also been working together for the promotion of iodized salt. वो भी बनाया जा रहा है ताकि best way to prevent the iodine deficiency among the children. Salt में iodine डाल दो बस खत्म काम. Next, they also want to advance the fulfillment of the rights of all women and children to survival, to development, to participation and to protection by reducing the social inequalities. Complete कर दो.